Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I was going to do a Mardi Gras swag. I'm doing this swag for a lantern that I have at my desk at work, and I found this really pretty black and white mask at the Dollar Tree. I had the greenery already. I think I purchased that from Walmart many months back, and some leftover ribbons from previous projects. I start with the mask. I'm feeding a pipe cleaner through the holes on the side of the mask because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to attach it. I'm putting the mask to the side for now, and I'm going to work on my greenery. This is one whole pick, and I didn't want to chop it up into individual pieces, so what I'm doing is I'm just kind of fluffing some down. So I want some going up and some going down. Now that I have them separated and some going up, some going down, I'm going to kind of fluff it out to make sure that it's wide enough, or if it's too wide. So I'm placing it in front of my lantern where I know I'm going to place it, just to get a visual. I had purchased these pretty feather embellishment picks from Hobby Lobby around Christmas time, and I didn't get around to using them, and I thought this would be perfect because I am doing black and white, and I know Mardi Gras has more golds, greens, different funky colors, purples, and this is not going to be a traditional Mardi Gras swag. So here I'm doing layers basically. I put the greenery down, I have that where I want it. Now I'm fluffing up the feathers and I'm placing those down, and I'm going to have one go up and one go down. And so I'm just going to trim off my stems because they are rather long, and you really need good cutters when you're trimming these stems. They're really thick. I have to say a big thank you to my boyfriend. He's the one that purchased these for me. So now I'm going to fluff up my feathers and I'm going to place them where I want them. Now that I have them fluffed up and placed where I want them, I'm going to zip tie them to the greenery. I do end up using 2 zip ties. Now I'm going to clean up my workstation and work on my bow. I'm starting with the black and white striped that was left over from Christmas time, and I'm doing 6-inch loops. So I'm using my Easy Bow Maker to help me out, and I want 2 of the black and white striped. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do 4, but I just stopped with the 2, and there were 6-inch loops on each side. The next ribbon I'm going to use, I did purchase from Hobby Lobby. It's this really funky design, and I am going to do 2 6-inch loops with this ribbon as well. I'm not sure what this pattern is called, and if anybody knows, put it in the comments. I thought it was perfect for anything Mardi Gras. This is where I thought I was going to do 5-inch loops with this ribbon, and I decided no, I wanted to do the 6-inch loops for the second ribbon. Next, I wanted to go in with the red. I wanted a pop of red in the bow because of the feathers that I was using. These loops I do stagger down to about 5 inches each, and I do make 4 loops of the red. Now I'm going in with another black and white ribbon I had left over. This was also purchased from Hobby Lobby. I believe it's in their wedding section. I do stagger these down to around 5.5 inches. So they're 5.5-inch loops on each side, and I only do 2 of the loops. Okay. Last ribbon, I'm going to do 2 loops each of this ribbon. I purchased it from the Dollar Tree, and I do stagger this down as well. Okay, so now we are going to very carefully remove this bow from the Easy Bow Maker. I'm going to put it on my workstation, put a zip tie around the middle, and I'm going to start the zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I just want to get it started. Pull the zip tie to the back of the bow, and before I crank the zip tie all the way down, I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. This way I have a way of attaching it to my swag. Now I'm going to clip off that zip tie and work on fluffing my bow and trimming up my ribbon tails. The thicker ribbons I dovetail, but that smaller, the thinner ribbon, I do just cut that at a slant. Did want to make sure that I had a tail, one of the black and white tails shooting up from the back. I just feel like this elongates the bow. Now I'm going to clean up my scraps and try and figure out how to put this mask on this bow. I did want it in the middle, however it was just going to cover up the whole bow. So now I'm just taking a step back, trying to figure out what part I want to go up, what part I want to go down, and when I place the bow, maybe I could put the mask at the bottom. So now I'm going to take the pipe cleaners around the swag in the middle, and I'm going to twist tie it off in the back. I did kind of angle the mask in, and I'm going to wrap that around the swag as well. So now I'm going to twist tie the pipe cleaners in the back, and I'm going to tuck them back into the greenery. I went ahead and removed the other white pipe cleaner that I had on the other side of the mask because I really don't need it. This is where I realized I needed longer pipe cleaners to go around the lantern. So I just attach an additional pipe cleaner to one that's already there. I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to wrap it around, twist it on the other side for the other pipe cleaner, and trim it off. Okay, folks, this is my completed project. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.